and all.
Yes.
And hearty greetings to Utsahan team also to
Thank you.
motivate we educators.
Thank you.
So actually my topic today would be like to share my experience with the teacher to a remote online teacher. Okay. So I'll be just sharing the experience that I had from past 6 months as an online remote teacher.
Yeah.
Uh, to begin with, like teaching online is not that an easy task. Like we had a pleasant experience with live classrooms interacting with the children. But once we never would have dreamt of this particular lockdown or a situation like this where we have to depend on an online platform to interact with our students. So actually, I'm an immigrant to the information technology, but I had a passion to know about this particular subject. So my actual like work starts right from the year 2014, and 2014 has been a crucial year in the career of myself as a teacher, where I still cherish the memories of our Raghuram sir delivering a 6-day workshop. So he really was a person who kindled the spark and ignited the passion on using the digital tools in the classroom. He actually like was transforming ourselves from a traditional teacher to a teacher to handle the 21st century learners. So I'm indebted to you, sir, for that. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Now, I just share what presently am I doing with my online classes. Right from 2014, as I said, the first initiative I took was to own a laptop of myself. And that too, I selected Dell because like I all throughout that 6-day workshop was very passionate to just see Raghuram sir working with his Dell. So the first thing that is what I did. So I'm very comfortable using the laptop now when we really had to depend on it very badly. So I was having a practice of making PowerPoint slides to share with our children, where sir used to say, like, we have different levels of learning in the children. So to cater with the auditory, to cater with the visual. So I used to present them with the PowerPoint slides. Now, once the online session started, also the first initiative was to share the PowerPoint slides and then to give the explanation on the concept. But that really did not satisfy me because we never used to get any response back. Neither the children used to get their cameras on, nor they used to unmute to our questions. So all our efforts appeared fruitless. So I was really in search of certain ICT tools which could engage children even in online sessions. So for which again, like most of the CBSE training sessions that we have in our online platform, like it was really very, very much beneficial for we teachers. And also I did join an NGO, which is formed by teachers of Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, at the name of Universal Teachers Academy. So from them, I do presently use a new app called Nearpod, which is an interactive presentation. So where I can make my slides, and then using that app, I could include activities which can make children more engaging. So I do have a very interesting sessions now with Nearpod, where I could see children very well responding to the activities that I do present in between my lessons. So I'm very much again thankful to the UTA Puducherry for letting me know with the Nearpod as the ICT tool. So this is what I just shared with my experience in the write-up, what I gave.
Yeah.
And I'm extremely thankful to the Utsahan team to select me as a participant to speak few words with you, Utsahan. And thank you, Raghuram sir, and also
Thanks.
Prasanna ma'am for inviting me